Class 10, exercise number 6.1, question number 5. Prove the following identities. The first Roman number is given as secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta is equal to 1. And then second Roman number given as cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. Let's see the first Roman number. See, the first Roman number is given. So here I am taking the LHS side. What is the LHS side? We have secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. See, the secant can be written in the form of reciprocal. Reciprocal of secant power 4 theta is nothing but 1 by cos. So this term is equal to 1 divided by cos power 4 theta into, here we have 1 minus, the sin power 4 theta can be written in the form of sin square theta whole square minus 2 tan is in the form of sin square theta divided by cos square theta can be written in that form. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Now listen this, 1 minus sin square theta whole square, it is in the form of a square minus b square. If it is in the form of a square minus b square means we can write in the form a plus b and then a minus b. So the first term as it is 1 divided by cos power 4 theta into, it is in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write in the form of a plus b. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to sin square theta. So 1 plus sin square theta into 1 minus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Next, by the identity we have cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, right? If I take the sin square theta to this side, we get 1 minus sin square theta. So the 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta, right? So in the place of 1 minus sin square theta, I am going to apply it cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So in the 1 minus sin square theta we have changed it to cos square theta, right? Now here we have all the terms are in multiplication. Here we have cos square. If I cancel here means only 2 times it possible, right? 2 times cancel. So we get 1 plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. It is in the denominator term, right? Minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta. We know that when the denominators are equal, we can directly add or subtract the numerator. By that condition, here the denominator is cos square, both the term. Here we have 1 plus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. See, 1 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is nothing but, when we subtract the term, 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Again 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by the identity. Here also we have the cos square theta. So the cos square theta is cancelled. We get the value 1. This term is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next we see the second Roman number. See, the Roman number 2 is given as cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta. Let me take it as the LHS side. The LHS side is cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta. Now see, the cot can be written in the form of cos by sin. So cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. So here in the place of cot I am going to apply the value cos theta divided by sin theta ratio minus cos theta divided by, here also the same, cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta, right? Next, see, in that numerator and denominator we have cos as the common term, right? So I take cos as commonly outside, means we get 1 by sin theta minus 1 divided by, here also the cos theta will be taken out commonly, means we have 1 by sin theta plus 1. See, both the numerator and denominator have cos theta, so cancel the term. Here the reciprocal of cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. I already told you by third letter. Remember the third letter is, so 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. So cosecant theta minus 1 divided by, here also cosecant theta plus 1. This term is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Thank you, students.